Hello guys, today I am with Sony Xperia 5 and I wanna show you how to add your fingerprint to the screen lock method. So for the first we have to open the settings. Now we have to go to the lock screen and security, click on the fingerprint manager, next, and now we have to choose another lock method. So in my case it will be fingerprint of course and the pattern. So first we have to go with pattern. Next, now we have to confirm our pattern. And now we have to start scanning our fingerprint. So it is on the right side of the device. So remember to do it slowly. And we have to move our finger slightly. Okay, now it's done, and as you can see, if we lock our screen, our device, and we want to unlock, we just put our finger here, and now it is unlocked. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.